Get ready for an exciting journey through the world of sports cars. Have you ever imagined an engine that can run more than 500,000 kilometers without losing power? Or that racing cars use engines that look like small giants, but deliver overwhelming performance? Today, we're going to reveal the 20 best sports car engines of all time, each more impressive than the last. Some are so well designed that they seem to defy time, while others are true legends among enthusiasts. Don't miss the chance to meet these icons of automotive engineering who transform every lap around the track into pure excitement. We start our list at number 20, Mazda 13B. Introduced in 1972, the Mazda 13B is a rotary engine that stood out for its lightness and notable power in relation to its compact size, winning over enthusiasts wherever it went. With just 2 rotors, this little giant generates an impressive output of up to 250 horsepower in some versions, defying expectations for engines in its category. Surprisingly durable, the Mazda 13B can last more than 200,000 kilometers if well cared for. This is a testament to ingenious engineering, despite its complexity. The Mazda 13B is not just an engine, it made history on the tracks, being used in racing cars like the RX-7, proving its efficiency and power in fierce competitions. At number 19, Porsche 911 Carrera 3.0. Launched in the 1970s, the Porsche 911 Carrera 3.0 continues to impress with its combination of power and agility. It is a true masterpiece that solidified its reputation in the automotive world, dominating the roads in style. Equipped with a 3.0-liter flat-six engine, this car offers a perfect balance between power and drivability. With it, every curve is an invitation to live the complete experience of driving a true sports car. Incredibly, many of these engines manage to exceed the 300,000 kilometers mark without major repairs. It's as if they are eternal, defying time and, most importantly, taking their drivers to new adventures. The flat-six engine design keeps the center of gravity low, which increases stability. This means you can tackle curves with confidence, knowing that your machine will respond when you need it most. At number 18, Toyota 2JZ. Famous for its role in the legendary Toyota Supra of the 90s, the 2JZ GTE is a turbocharged engine that has won hearts in the tuning world. His legacy lives on in every modification and race done by enthusiasts around the globe. This powerful 3.0-liter inline-six engine is like the Hulk of engines. Its power can easily be raised to more than 1,000 horsepower. It's almost like having a monster under the hood, ready to attack the track. With proper maintenance, the 2JZ GTE can exceed 500,000 kilometers. Yes, it is one of the most durable engines ever made. A true testament to engineering that defies time and still delivers impressive performance. The 2JZ GTE is the legend of engines that can handle extreme levels of power without compromising reliability. Owners often say, it's as if the engine has the strength of a bull, but the gentleness of a passenger car. At number 17, Honda K20. Introduced in 2001, the Honda K20 has become an icon among enthusiasts. Thanks to its combination of power and efficiency, it quickly won hearts and minds, showing that it is possible to combine performance and economy. This 2.0-liter inline-four engine is a true warrior. In some versions it delivers an impressive 240 horsepower, making journeys more exciting and overtaking a real delight. Famous for its reliability, the K20 can travel more than 300,000 kilometers without major problems. It's the kind of engine you can put in your sports car and know that it will take you far without letting you down. The Honda K20 is a real favorite among tuners, as it allows for major modifications to increase power. It's guaranteed fun for those who love to customize and take their car to a new level of performance. At number 16, BMW M30. The BMW M30, an icon manufactured from 1976 to 1993, is one of the brand's most revered engines. Its reputation among enthusiasts is unshakable. This inline-six engine stands out for its various displacement options, with the 3.0 and 3.5-liter versions becoming BMW's favorites. Impressive, many M30s still have more than 500,000 kilometers on them. Its durability is a testament to what German quality and engineering means. Famous for its unique sound and robustness, the M30 still makes enthusiasts' hearts race, a true masterpiece that has stood the test of time. At number 15, Ford 5.0 Coyote V8. Introduced in 2011, the Coyote engine was a watershed in the Ford Mustang lineup. An icon that redefined what a V8 can be in the world of sports cars, bringing power and innovation to the streets. This 5.0-liter V8 engine with dual direct injection technology not only delivers over 450 horsepower, it also delivers an acceleration experience that makes enthusiasts' hearts race. Countless units of the Coyote have passed the 200,000 kilometers mark, proving that it is more than a strong engine. He is a true road warrior, reliable and durable, worthy of respect. With a power management system that optimizes torque delivery across different RPM ranges, the Coyote engine ensures the fun never ends. Are you ready to feel this emotion? At number 14, Lexus 1U Zephyr. Launched in the early 90s, the 1U Zephyr was a milestone for V8 engines that rocks in the luxury class. This engine not only impressed with its power, but also with the smoothness and elegance it provided on the roads. With 4.0 liters of pure power, this V8 offers between 250 and 300 horsepower, depending on the model. It's that engine that delivers power when you need it most, making your heart accelerate with every step on the accelerator. This mechanical monster is worthy of respect. It is estimated that many 1U Zephyrs reach and exceed 500,000 kilometers, provided they receive adequate care, a true testament to Japanese engineering durability. Its robustness is such that many enthusiasts transplant it to other cars and tuning projects. The 1U Zephyr has become an icon among tuners, being the ideal choice for those who want performance without compromising reliability. At number 13, Nissan SR20 DET. The Nissan SR20 DET has been an icon among tuners and drifters since the 90s. This four-cylinder turbo engine is synonymous with adrenaline and pure emotion in every corner. With 2.0 liters, the Senior 20 DET starts with 200 horsepower. But here's the secret. It's easy to increase that power. Just a few modifications and you'll be ready to fly on the track. Maintained with adequate oil pumps and cooling systems, these engines can exceed 250,000 kilometers, a true masterpiece of durability for those passionate about speed. The Senior 20 DET shines in drifting and motorsport competitions. It is famous for its incredible handling, making it the perfect choice for those looking for excitement in every maneuver. At number 12, Chevrolet LS. Launched in the late 1990s, the LS engine quickly became synonymous with explosive performance and modifications. Its fame won the hearts of enthusiasts, transforming it into a true icon on the roads. With a powerful V8 available in several versions, starting at 4.8 liters, the LS is so versatile that it can easily surpass the 1,000 horsepower mark. A true monster when it comes to brute strength, LS engines are famous for their impressive durability, often exceeding 300,000 kilometers. Many of them continue to roar strong, defying time and wear. Who doesn't want an engine like this? Due to its popularity, it is not uncommon to find the LS engine being transplanted into various vehicles. It's like a free pass to performance, taking any ordinary car to transform into a true beast on the track. At number 11, Subaru EJ20. Launched in the 1980s, the Subaru EJ20, a four-cylinder boxer engine, revolutionized the concept of balance and performance. Its unique and bold architecture would continue to influence automotive designs for decades. With 2.0 liters of pure adrenaline, this engine offers an impressive 280 horsepower in turbo versions, a true machine that delivers power and emotion with every acceleration. Incredibly, many EJ20 units exceed 300,000 kilometers with ease, even when facing rigorous conditions, a testament to the durability and robustness that only true lovers know. The Boxer design is not just a beauty, it helps keep the center of gravity low, providing incredible stability when cornering. An engine that turns any ride into an exciting experience. At number 10, Audi 2.5 TFSI. The Audi 2.5 TFSI is an icon of German innovation. First launched in the Audi TRS, its combination of ingenious design and exceptional performance has made it a legend among sports car fans. With its 2.5 liters and 5 cylinders, this engine delivers an impressive 400 horsepower. It's the perfect harmony between explosive power and surprising efficiency, a masterpiece of automotive engineering. With the right maintenance, many 2.5 TFSI engines are still running after more than 250,000 kilometers. This demonstrates the impressive durability and reliability that delight those who love speed. One of the most striking features of the Audi 2.5 TFSI is its unique sound, a deep growl that resonates with passion and power, making it unforgettable for any enthusiast lucky enough to hear it. At number 9, Mercedes-Benz M156. The Mercedes-Benz M156 is a V8 that embodies performance in AMG models. This iconic engine combines luxury and power, promising a vibrant and exciting driving experience for those who love speed. With an impressive 6.2 liters of displacement, the M156 generates more than 500 horsepower. Its massive torque delivers a powerful sprint, making any car equipped with it feel like a beast unleashed on the road. The M156 is famously robust, with many engines exceeding 200,000 kilometers without major overhauls. This durability is a testament to its exceptional engineering and the driving pleasure it offers. As one of the last engines 100% developed by AMG, the M156 uses a naturally aspirated design, delivering an immediate throttle response that delights even the most demanding drivers. At number 8, Ford EcoBoost 3.5 V6. The Ford EcoBoost 3.5 V6 is a turbocharged engine that stands out for its efficiency and performance. Used in both the robust F150 and sports cars, it brings the power and fuel economy drivers want. With 3.5 liters of pure adrenaline, this V6 engine impresses by generating up to 450 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 6 seconds. Can you feel the emotion? It's the definition of power and speed in the palm of your hand. And the best, with regular maintenance, EcoBoost engines can exceed 200,000 kilometers. It's like having the strength of a bull, without worrying about age. Durability that every engine lover desires. EcoBoost represents the future of automotive engineering, proving that it is possible to reduce fuel consumption without sacrificing power. More savings at the pump, more excitement on the track. Are you ready to accelerate? At number 7, Chevrolet 6.2 litros 5.8. The Chevrolet 6.2 LV8 is the brute force behind icons like the Corvette and Camaro, an engine that has captured the hearts of fans of speed and performance. Have you ever heard the roar of it speeding up? With 6.2 liters of pure adrenaline, this engine can surpass an impressive 650 horsepower in the most daring versions. It's like having a rocket on the road. Who wouldn't want to experience this power? The 6.2L's robustness is legendary. Many units surpass the 300,000 kilometers mark, an engine that ages like a good wine, defying time and breaking endurance records on the road. Did you know that the 6.2L is a tuner's favorite? Its modification capacity allows it to increase its power even further, making it an enthusiast's dream. What would you do to optimize this monster? At number 6, Mazda Skyactiv G. Launched in 2011, the Mazda Skyactiv G revolutionized efficiency and performance, transforming the Mazda lineup into a true dream for sports car lovers. Did you know that it combines advanced technology with driving fun? This 4-cylinder engine is capable of producing up to 2.5 liters with an impressive high compression approach. What does this mean? It accelerates quickly and responsively, providing a driving experience that will leave you breathless. With proper maintenance, the Skyactiv G can easily reach over 300,000 kilometers. Imagine how durable this engine is. Like a true road warrior, who wouldn't want a car that lasts this long? This engine is crucial to Mazda, promoting efficient and clean powertrain technology. It is a fundamental piece for car lovers, who seek performance without compromising environmental responsibility. The future of engines is here. At number 5, Peugeot 205 GTI. The Peugeot 205 GTI is a true milestone in the history of hot hatches, bringing sportiness and fun to the streets. Its bold design and agile performance have won the hearts and minds of drivers around the world. Equipped with a 1.6-liter engine that delivers 130 horsepower, this model is a classic that combines simplicity and power. Imagine feeling the adrenaline when accelerating in this little monster on the track and urban streets. With its solid construction, many Peugeot 205 GTI are still on the road with over 200,000 kilometers. These cars are true survivors, proving that ingenuity and quality last a lifetime. Considered the best hot hatch of all time, The 205 GTI is appreciated for its lightness and agility. It's a machine that turns every curve into pure emotion, and every trip into an unforgettable adventure. At number 4, Nissan GT-R VR38 DETT. The Nissan GT-R VR38 DET is a true icon of modern automotive engineering, powered by innovative design and technology. Since 2007, he has dominated the tracks and streets, showing that excellence can be achieved at every turn. With an impressive 3.8-liter V6 engine, the GT-R delivers 565 horsepower in its base version. That means explosive acceleration and a roar that makes any engine enthusiast vibrate with excitement when they step on the accelerator. Durability is the key word. Many GT-R engines surpass the 200,000 kilometers mark, proving that this car isn't just about speed, it's about endurance and confidence, characteristics that all engine lovers value. The VR38 DETT is equipped with a sophisticated management system, ensuring exceptional performance in any condition. From wet tracks to sunny roads, this engine adapts and shines in any scenario. Now, we come to our top 3 on our list. Ferrari F136e. The Ferrari F136e, a V8 engine that powers legends like the 360 Modena and F430, is the essence of speed. Its robust construction and elegant design make this machine an icon on the tracks and streets. With an impressive 4.3 liters, this engine delivers up to 490 horsepower of pure emotion. Imagine the adrenaline rush when accelerating. That's the kind of power that leaves speed lovers in ecstasy, isn't it? Durability is the name of the F136e. If well maintained, it can surpass the 150,000 kilometers mark. For many, it is the promise of a sporting experience that goes beyond curves and straights. This engine is not just powerful, its unmistakable sound and immediate response to the accelerator make your heart race. The F136e is a symphony of strength and performance, perfect for those who love speed. At number 2, Lamborghini V10. The Lamborghini V10 is the beating heart of iconic models like the Gallardo and always linked to the extreme performance that makes your blood flow. This engine is the essence of speed and excitement on the track. With 5.2 liters of pure power, this V10 can generate up to 640 horsepower in the most robust versions. It's like you're on a roller coaster, but this roller coaster has an engine and a racetrack setting. Surprisingly, this engine is capable of running more than 100,000 kilometers, maintaining impressive performance. Imagine exploring the roads, knowing that your adrenaline will continue to peak for a long time. Famous for its unmistakable sound, the V10 is music to the ears of car lovers. At tuning shows and motorsport events, he is often the star, filling the air with his powerful roar. And now, first on our list, Bugatti W16. The Bugatti W16, created for Veyron, is a titan among engines, boasting impressive power. Did you know that it is one of the most powerful production engines ever made? Get ready to feel the adrenaline. With 8.0 liters and 1,500 horsepower, this W16 engine has a quad turbo that pushes the limits of performance. It's like being on a roller coaster, but you're behind the wheel of a suit. Designed to last up to 400,000 kilometers in high performance, the W16 shows that it's not just about speed. Relational maintenance ensures that you always have an engine in top shape to accelerate to your limits. The W16 is not just an engine, it is a true engineering masterpiece. Combining power and efficiency, it redefines what it means to have incredible technology under the hood. It's pure magic in motion. We've reached the end of our list of the 20 best sports car engines of all time. Each of these engines not only represents power and innovation, but also an unwavering passion for speed and performance. Now we want to know, which of these engines is your favorite? Or do you know of any other engines that should be on this list? Leave your opinion in the comments, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content like this. And don't forget to activate the bell so you don't miss any news.